Good to go.
Hello, welcome to Cine Gear 2023. Yeah, maybe 2023. Rob Eagle from Bright Tangerine. We're a British-based company. I actually live in Los Angeles, and I'm here to talk about the Prodigy, the rain deflector. So what's different from normal rain deflectors? Normally you get a spinning disc rotating at 1,000 RPM. What that does, it creates like a dot, large sound. You get like heat where you get like fogging. So you get issues with fogging where there's an inside and an outside temperature. You have to stop the rig and then defog it. You don't get that with this because there's no spinning parts. You've got an air box on the side that generates the air. It's then pushed down through the hose and over the film of the glass. And what it does, it creates an even film across the glass, which allows a very good picture. And the air in the plenum is actually pushed over in an even amount. So what you get then is you don't get like aberrations in the corner. So we spend a lot of time developing this plenum to get an even airflow. What you have here is a three-stage mat box out behind, and I'll do a demonstration of the air flowing across the glass in a minute and squirt some water. It takes away the issues you have like with this rotating thing where you get a gyroscopic effect. It also takes away where you get a dot in the middle, and rain naturally falls with gravity most places. You don't get that with a spinning disc because it pushes off the rain in every direction. So I'm just going to turn the unit on in full speed. And as you can see, the water is hitting the glass and is being blown off immediately. And as you can see, the rain or the water collects on the glass. Turn the unit on and it pushes it off. It's available to buy. It's been out since about Christmas this year. And this is a patented design in the US, the UK, and Europe. And it's $1 under 8,000, so it's $7,999. And what you get then for that amount is a hose, 2 hose lengths, 2 cables, an air generating, 2 pieces of glass, and a 3-stage mat box with a mounting point. Give me a shout. rob@brighttangerine.com if you've got any questions.
Thank you very much. Easy peasy, right?
Short and sweet.